So here's my simulation with the Bohr model of the atom. And you've seen the photons interacting with the atom and hopefully made some observations about the electron jumping back and forth and how that's related to the light going in and out. Now what I'm going to do, and the spectrometer is down at the bottom of your screen there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the electron level, energy level diagram. And what this is it uses these little lines here to basically represent the orbits over here. So n equals 1 here is the same as this orbit here, and n equals 2 here is the same as this orbit here. So you'll notice that they don't have the same scale of spacing, the two diagrams, and that's just because they kind of had to smush all the orbitals together to have as many as they needed to show what was going on in the atomic model, but they're spreading them out in the energy level diagram to try to show how the energy values are actually scaled. So in terms of the relative values of energy of these energy levels, the electron energy level diagram over here is more accurate. You'll also notice these n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those numbers are not energy values. They're just labels for the orbits. So if we were to measure the potential energy, say, of an electron at n equals 2, it would have a specific number with a unit for energy called joule attached to it. So this n equals 1, n equals 2, etc. are not energy units. They are labels. So I'm going to just stop talking for a while and just let you observe the electron as it jumps over here in the picture, the model of the Bohr atom, and then over here in the electron energy level diagram. Just two ways of displaying the same thing. And what you'll also notice is that the arrows represented in the energy level diagram are waves, and they're meant to represent to some degree the nature of the wavelengths and frequencies of the photons going in and out. So before you finish watching this, make sure that you can relate the jumps that are happening in this electron energy level diagram and in the picture of the atom to the nature of the photons going in and out. What really is the color and the wavelength of that photon related to in terms of the energy levels? That's what you want to be trying to figure out with this. All right, that's it. I will stop it here, and you can play this as many times as you need to. You can always go to the simulation and play with it yourself if you want to. It's called Models of the Hydrogen Atom. However, you do need to have Java supported on your computer in order to play it.